Welcome guys. So back to the My Online Startup program. This is the one. If you think you are ready to upgrade, I have a couple of bonuses for you. So if you should have gone through all the training by now. Hopefully you haven't done anything until you've completed the training. Even though there are steps that you will do later, you just to understand it before you go ahead and upgrade and start promoting yourself, just go through and complete all the steps. So assuming you have done that, you've gone through all the training, you're ready to hit the ground running, let's do this thing, let's upgrade to partner. So all you need to do is click on the partner program button here and go through and become a partner and update. It's about $200, $197 to become a partner, but there are many things that Chuck and I will do for you if you do become a partner. So the very first thing is, now that you're a partner, you can promote this program, the My Online Startup program. So all you need to do is give away, you'll get your unique affiliate link, and you will give that away, and you'll give away the free trials and the free training, and people will come in and then they will upgrade and you will get paid. So that's how that's going to work. But you do need to be a member to get your own affiliate link. So go ahead and do that first. Now, at the bottom of this page, so this is an upgrade page, I am going to throw out, there's a couple of programs that you're going to need to get your system up and running, but you're not going to need them all. So just the core programs that you're going to need. There's going to be 3 programs that you need definitely, and the rest are kind of optional. So if you want to start with the 3 main ones that you need, and then we'll go from there. So the very first one that you're going to need, as per your system. Now, because you're a partner, Chuck is going to go through and you'll give him a few details regarding your accounts and he'll set this program up for you. So this is an opt-in page, an email list, and then some follow-up emails that will automatically be sent out on your behalf. So he'll go through and he'll set that up for you. But before, you'll just need to give him some information regarding your account so he can go in there and set it all up for you. So the very first one that you're going to need is GetResponse. Now this is your autoresponder. This is where your emails are going to be collected. It's where your auto-responding emails are going to be listed and automatically they will be sent out from there. Now, that's the first step, and click on the link below and sign up. And it's this link here is a little bit cheaper. So you are going to need a GetResponse account. So go through. This is a 30-day free trial. So you can try it all out for a month, really hit it hardcore, see what you think before you actually pay anything. The next one you are going to need, so that's the first one. Next one is Clickbank. This is going to record all your tracking links, where they're from, and you can also add your own domain and things like that. It's pretty cool. Now, when Chuck offers it to you, it's probably going to cost you about $65 a month. This link down below, you can get it for $27, so a little bit cheaper. Now, it is limited to 10,000 clicks a month, which is quite a lot. After you exceed that, you'll be earning some good money, then you can upgrade. But for the moment, it's a bit cheaper, $27. So that's link 2. The third one is Clickbank. This is where you're going to go and find the offers that you really need. This is a free account. So step number 3, click the one below and just set up your free account. That's going to give you an affiliate link and an affiliate name. And across all these networks, keep your affiliate name the same, just makes it easy. So that's a free one. So go ahead and set up your free account. You're going to need that one. Now, the fourth one is a little bit optional, but I'm going to do it for you anyway. The fourth one is a program called ClickFunnels. Now, this is, let me just show you here. This is a landing page creation software. Now, it will come much later in the program, and you don't need it now. However, if you do go through the 4th link down below and set up, there's a few things that I'll do for you to help with increased conversions, and I might leave a video just on conversions as well, just so you can have a look. But I've set up this quiz funnel, if you like. But here is a quiz funnel, and I'll leave a link below just to a video to show you how quizzes can increase your conversions and increase your sign up. So have a look at that, and if it's of interest to you, sign up to ClickFunnels down below. It's 14 days free trial, and I will give you this funnel. Now, if you're going to use it in conjunction with My Online Startup, it's already set up for you. It's an affiliate marketing funnel, but it is very easy to change, and I will give this to you. All you need to do is contact me via Facebook below and let me know your receipt number, and then I'll give you a link and you import it directly into your account. It's very easy to do, and then you can start using it. If you don't want to use this one, if maybe you're promoting a different product and you want a landing page or something like that, I will make one for you. And again, just as a thank you for signing up with me, I'll be able to give you that link, and you can import that one into your account as well. So, and we can change that and customize it to your offer. So that's what I'm going to do for you guys if you do want to upgrade and use ClickFunnels as a landing page builder, which is what I do. So go ahead. So there's definitely the 3 that you need: the Get Response, of course, the Click Magic, which will track all your links, and then the Clickbank, which is where we get our offers, and that's free, of course. And then the optional one, 4th below, is ClickFunnels. Try it. It's 14 days free. You won't be charged anything until then, and see how you go. And if you do want this affiliate marketing quiz funnel, I'll give that to you. Or if you want a different one, let me know, and I'll make that for you as well. So that's becoming a partner. Now that you're ready, you've done the training, you're ready to hit the ground. Let's do it. Upgrade to partner. Let me know how you go. If you have any snags, just let me know via the link below as well, and I'll help you out as well. So let's start earning. It's time to start earning. Let's do it. If you're interested at all at affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship, be sure to click the link right below and go through to the Oz Affiliate website and join the mailing list. There's going to be heaps of bonuses and information that you can use, tools, things like that. Go ahead, jump through there, click on, and just enter your details. That'll put you on the mailing list, and you'll be given access to a whole bunch of resources for you to use and learn. When you come through, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you'll get information as soon as it's released. Like the Facebook page. Again, if you're a Facebook junkie, make sure you jump onto that page, and then jump into whatever avenue that you want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this will take you through here, the 30-day challenge. In the 30 days, just 30 days, you can have an up and running online business in your own niche. Whatever you're good at, whatever you're an expert in, this is what you want to build a business around that, something that you know and are passionate about. That will show you step by step, 1 hour a day for 30 days, you'll have it up and running. If you need any references to books, your favorite entrepreneurs, go through the search there. Clickbank training, if you're a Clickbank affiliate, plenty of training available there. Some free books. There's a couple of free books. The new one, Traffic Secrets, you can get that for free just by clicking this link. There's also the .com secrets and expert secrets. Lead generation, if that's what you're after. Some more marketing secrets for Clickbank. SEO, your own website. So of course you have to learn SEO. If you want to build your own email list, things like that. If you want your own ready-made funnel, so just a funnel that you can plug your information in, give it your own spin, send traffic to and earn money, that's a ready-made funnel ready to go. All available. Building your own landing pages, things like that, all there for you. And of course the Oz Affiliate tools, exactly all the tools that I use in my business. So everything available there for you to use. All you need to do is click the link below, join the newsletter, and go exploring. Find all the information that you want. Do that now. It's worth joining.